Okay, the speaker or the microphone for your Bluetooth, I pretty much, Kenwood's nice. It gives you a little clip right here that I pretty much can clip onto this panel right here, right next to the existing speaker. And so what you do is you pull this panel, there's just some clips right here, so it comes right off, but pull gently because it's still attached to the front somewhere. So basically, I pulled the panel and I'm basically running the wire down this panel, and from there, you see that little hole right here? You can fish the wire through this hole, which will lead, there's another wire right here, but it kind of just drops right underneath your foot area right here, right next to the hood opening switch. And what I'm gonna do is I pulled the wire down and I routed it basically along the inside of this cover right here, and basically just through this area right here. You see there's another cable right now, but I did that to route the little switch that I have for this switch right here that I have. This is for the exhaust, MPP exhaust, to open the flaps on and off. So same concept. I routed the wire through here, and you pretty much can route it from here into behind the stereo unit. And what I did was I kind of pulled it up right here, and yeah, it's good to go and it's ready to plug into my Kenwood head unit. Sorry for the blurriness, but yeah.